welcome back. Welcome back to Auntie Nina's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, but I've been through a lot of roller coaster, but now I'm back on track. I'm expecting you guys to tune in because we're gonna be having a lot of exciting new videos. We're gonna have competitions, we're gonna have cook-offs, we're gonna have challenges, and we're definitely looking forward for your support. And thank you guys. And I'm back with the first video. We're gonna be doing some curry pork. I'm gonna be seasoning, and then I'm gonna leave to go watch Bob Marley. I know he would not be happy with the pork, but we're gonna do curry pork today. So see you guys in a little bit. Marinate for a few hours, and then we'll be cooking. Yes guys, so I just came back from the Bob Marley movie. I recommend it 100%, and I'm about to start. So you know, we all went out to represent Bob Marley, or should I say Jamaica. All right, so we're gonna light up the fire. We're gonna put the pot to heat, then we're gonna pour some oil, and I'm gonna add some more curry with some burnt garlic. I'm gonna saute some garlic in some curry, and then I'm gonna add this. You know, I did put curry on the pork, but I normally like to burn some of my curry to complete the flavor. Pouring some oil. I'm covering the bottom of the pot with the oil, giving it a little time to heat up. Then I'm gonna put in my garlic, and then 2 more tablespoons of curry. I'm gonna burn with the garlic. So we're cooking our garlic. Stir fry it a little bit so you can get that aroma. And then we're gonna add the curry. You don't want it to get dark, so you have to continue to stir it. Look at this color. This is the color we're looking for. Not burn, not too dark. And then we're gonna add the pork. I'm gonna continue to stir fry until we get this nice golden color before we start adding water. So we're gonna leave it a little for the curry to burn into the meat. We're not gonna add any water until it's completely burnt into the meat. So we can get that nice, rich, better pack curry color.
A lot of people like to use Indian curry, but I prefer the better pack. We burned into the pork, as you can see the color. We have no white, just pure curry look. Now we're gonna add some water. I'm gonna use warm water. I'm adding 4 cups to start. Sometimes it depends on the texture of the meat to see how long it's gonna take to cook. Sometimes you have to add more, but if I add more, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm adding 4 cups. I'm gonna cover and I'm gonna cook. We've been cooking for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna test it now. It's still maintaining that rich curry flavor or curry look. Really rich. I'm gonna use a fork to test the skin to see how far, if we're gonna need to add a little more water. And yes, I think we need to add a little more water, but I'm gonna wait until it cooks down a little more before I add the water. Also, I went ahead and I steamed some cabbage, and we're gonna be serving with some white rice. Oh wow. Well, this is after 1 hour of cooking. It's almost tender. Just need to cook probably like for another 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more cups of water. After it's cooked down, I'm gonna add some carrots, scallion, pepper, green onions, scallion, that is some pepper, carrots, and that's gonna be the finishing touch. Right now, we're gonna cook for like 20 minutes more. Girl, come look on this. Looking so good. It's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions, carrots, hot pepper, green onion, and then I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna plate. It has enough flavor. I don't need to add any salt or any other seasoning. Just like how it looks, that's how it's tasting. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. Gravy, thick and nice, real rich. Pimento seed, guys, I'm adding it now. Still cooking. It's been cooking for about a minute, so we have like 2 minutes left. Okay, everyone, look at this. It is complete. It took 1 hour and 10 minutes to get to this point. This is beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and plate. Well guys, this is the finished product. Look at this. It's so delicious. Looking so good. All my family will enjoy it for sure, because I'm not having any meat. I'm just having fish because it's Lent, and I decided that I'm gonna do a pork video in Lent. Forgive me guys for who are not pork lovers. Remember, if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And remember to tell a friend to tell a friend.
And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on another video.